So we'll start from where we have left in the previous tutorial. We have created two routes to insert some values in our database. So we will now make display teacher page.blade.php view. So first let me open resources folder, then go to views, then click on display teacher page.blade.php file. Delete the default code from here and type HTML tag, that is less than sign HTML and then greater than sign, and close HTML tag, that is less than sign, then a / HTML and then greater than sign. Inside the HTML tag type a title tag and a closing title tag. Inside the title tag type display teachers tag. This is a HTML and in below closing title tag type h1 tag and a closing h1 tag. Inside the h1 tag type display teachers from database. Below the opening HTML tag type a header tag, head tag, that is called header, and a closing header tag below closing h1 tag. Now below closing header tag type a body tag and a closing body tag. Inside the body tag type a table tag. We are going to make a table inside which we are giving table headers, the headings and the table data. So closing inside the body tag type a table tag and a closing table tag. Inside the table tag type a t head tag and a closing t head tag. Inside the t head that is called table header. Inside the table header type th tag, that is table heading. Inside the and a closing th tag. Inside the table heading tag type a serial number, that is s space SNO dot, and in the second line type another th tag and a closing th tag. Inside that type teacher's name. In another line type th tag and a closing th tag. Type inside that type class teacher of. In another line type th tag and a closing th tag. Inside that type salary. So we have 4 headings: the serial number, teacher's name, class teacher of, and a salary. Now we will make table body in which we will give table data. How to write a table data? So below closing table header tag type t body tag, that is less than sign t body and greater than sign. And a closing t body tag. How we will do this? We will run a for loop and extract data from the database table and display it in table td tag, table data tag. So we will type at for open bracket $i equal to 1, that $i is a variable, looping variable, semicolon $i less than equal to db. You need to have a prior knowledge of programming knowledge some programming knowledge to understand this. DB double colon table bracket start teachers and single quotes and bracket hyphen greater than sign count bracket start bracket close semicolon dollar I plus plus, end it with a and bracket, and we will now type table row tag, then and closing table row tag. Inside the table row tag we will type less than sign question mark and PHP. That is called a PHP tag. Dollar then space dollar result equal to DB dollar double colon table bracket start single quote start teachers single quotes and bracket and hyphen greater than sign where bracket start single quote start teachers underscore ID bracket single quotes and comma single quotes start equal to single quotes and comma dollar I bracket close hyphen greater than sign get bracket start bracket close question mark and then greater than sign. That is closing PHP tag. Now we will type TD tag, opening TD tag and closing TD tag, in which we will start by two flower brackets and then dollar result in square brackets we will write 0, then hyphen greater than sign teachers ID, then closing two flower brackets and then closing the TD tag. This means we are displaying the teacher's ID of the 0th element of the result object. There are three ways of retrieving data from the result object. The one is pluck. Pluck simply gives a property of the result object. This property must be a string. The first returns the first row of the result object, and the get method gives the whole set of arrays of the result object. So we need to give the in a square bracket 0 1 2 3 etc. So here I have typed the two more TDs and then the two flower brackets and then teacher's name and class teacher of and closing the flower bracket. The flower bracket is a way to display any variable or writing a statement or a comment in Laravel. So in the last line that I have written is dollar sorry TD two flower bracket open dollar result 0 hyphen greater than sign salary two flower bracket close and closing TD. Then below closing the TR tag at and for, and this is our whole display teacher.blade.php file. Now we will type the root for this file to display the display teacher page.blade.php file. So in the roots PHP file we will type root double colon get bracket start bracket end. In single quotes we will type / display teachers comma function open bracket, close bracket, open flower bracket, close flower bracket, return. Then we will type view, open bracket, in single quotes we will type display teacher page, single quotes and end bracket, end it with a semicolon, and close flower bracket, close bracket, end it with a end the root with a semicolon. Here I forgot to write the view before display teacher page. So now we will check the result in the local host in the browser. So in the browser we will type localhost /my app /school management project /public /display teachers. That is our root name. First let me open the database. So I will type localhost /phpMyAdmin, and in the school management project we will browse the teachers table. So here is our data, this must be displayed in the page. So where I have not written the view, I will write the view. So I will write here view. And now I will hit enter, and here is all the data displayed. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please write in comments. If you want to see our more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.